Today, we're diving deep into the world of professional seating with the adjustable height hydraulic rolling swivel stool from HomGarden, a piece that promises not just to enhance the look of your workspace but also to provide unmatched comfort and utility. Whether you're a tattoo artist, a beauty salon professional, or someone looking for a comfortable and versatile chair for your home office, this stool seems to tick all the boxes. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. Firstly, the adjustability of this stool is a feature that stands out immediately. With a simple pull of a lever, the seat height smoothly transitions from 18" to 24.5, while the overall stool height can be adjusted from 21 to 27. This range ensures that regardless of your work setup or your height, you can maintain a comfortable and ergonomic position, keeping everything you need within easy reach. The 360-degree swivel capability, paired with 5 rolling caster wheels, enhances its functionality, allowing for effortless movement in all directions. This feature is particularly beneficial in bustling work environments where mobility and flexibility are key. Moreover, the stool's ability to glide smoothly on its adjustable galvanized gas lift not only adds to its convenience but also underscores its safety aspects, ensuring stability in every move. When it comes to comfort, this stool doesn't disappoint. The 3-inch thick high-density foam topped with a soft, padded back support offers a comfortable sitting experience even during long hours of work. The addition of a backrest is a thoughtful touch, providing necessary support to relieve back stress, which is crucial for professionals who spend a significant amount of their day seated. The stool's durability and ease of maintenance are evident in its choice of materials. The 100% PU leather covering is both firm and soft, striking the perfect balance between comfort and durability. This choice of material also makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring the stool remains hygienic and presentable with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, this stool finds its place in a variety of professional settings, from hair and beauty salons to tattoo studios and medical facilities. Its classic style, complemented by a stainless steel furniture finish and a sleek white color, adds a touch of elegance to any space. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary screws and tools included. A warm note: check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.